11 Simple Ways to Improve Your Likability. A crucial attribute is being endearing. You become more attractive and enjoyable to be around as a result. It also improves your chances of developing lasting relationships, making more money, and, if you're an entrepreneur, contributing to the growth of a better company. And while there are innumerable strategies for enhancing your social abilities and winning over others, the truth is that most of the time, it's the little things that count. The finest part is that these won't compromise your genuineness while assisting you in mingling with others and leaving a favorable impression. So, let's get going. The first rule is to extend a sincere greeting to everyone. People enjoy being around folks that are upbeat and make them feel at home. So if you come out as friendly, they'll be more pulled to you. Simple actions like a friendly greeting and a warm smile can make a big difference. A kind introduction will put the other person at ease enough to converse even if you don't know them. Number 2. Demonstrate sincere interest. Everyone enjoys feeling appreciated. And you show others that you care when you try to act genuinely interested in what they have to say. People are more likely to open up and reveal more about themselves when you take the time to listen to them, whether you're asking about their day, family, or passions. In addition to giving them a confidence boost and a positive feeling, this also makes them like you more. Number 3. Positively praise others. The way you speak about other people can truly affect how they see you. People will relate those qualities to your personality when you speak highly about someone. People will think of you as sincere and nice if, for instance, you characterize someone as both. You may establish connections and establish a good reputation by doing this. Additionally, it helps people feel comfortable around you. Of course, the opposite is also true, which is why it's preferable to refrain from slander and disparaging others. Finding and emphasizing shared values and interests is number 4. Finding common ground will help you relate, whether you're trying to get along with your coworkers or making friends at the bar. When you share similar hobbies, opinions, or experiences, it can strengthen your relationship, whether it be a shared love of pets or a desire for travel. It provides you something to talk about and can facilitate and enhance communication. Number 5. Show some touchiness. In social contexts, physical contact can be a useful strategy. It only takes a little touch on the arm or a nice pat on the back to put someone at ease. The timing and appropriateness of physical contact must be considered, though. A lot of things can be daunting, but a few gentle prods here and there can help others relax around you. Find something to laugh about as a couple. Number 6. Even if they don't know you well, laughter acts as a bonding agent and can make people feel more connected to you. You might become more likable as a result. Try to look for occasions to laugh with someone when you're conversing with them. You can accomplish this by cracking jokes or sharing amusing tales. Or even just by smiling and maintaining eye contact when something amusing occurs. Laughing together shows that you're on the same page, which makes you feel more at ease and connected to each other. Number 7. Show kindness and extend help when it's required. Even if it's something minor like giving directions or cleaning up fallen goods, people often appreciate helping out. A small act of kindness can go a long way towards demonstrating your consideration for others and your willingness to go above and beyond for them. Additionally, people frequently return the favor when you help them, which can be advantageous for both of you in the long run. It's a situation where everyone benefits, and you can meet new individuals and increase their likelihood of liking you. Showing gratitude and appreciation is number 8. Gratitude can have a significant impact on how people see and feel about you. Those who take the time to express their gratitude for what others do for them are often admired and respected by others. Recognizing the gesture, no matter how modest it may be, will make people feel good about themselves and can greatly enhance good impressions. Number 9. Even when you disagree, maintain respect. Maintaining respect even when you disagree is crucial for successful relationships and gaining the favor of others. It shows that you're receptive to various viewpoints and concepts and that you're prepared to put up the effort necessary to comprehend those of others. Additionally, it creates a constructive atmosphere for the discussion, increasing the likelihood that everyone will behave civilly and be able to come to a mutually beneficial agreement. Be humble and willing to admit when you're wrong. Rule No. Being able to confess when you're wrong makes you more likable in a society where everyone strives to be right. Humility is a sign that you care more about the truth than you do about being right. People are more likely to trust and appreciate you because of this, since it gives them a sense of sincerity and honesty. Number 11. Know when it's time to finish up. It can make you more likable if you know when to put an end to the conversation. It's acceptable to be the one to mention that it's time to leave. Don't feel obligated to continue the discussion at all costs merely to avoid coming out as impolite or indifferent. People shouldn't feel as though they are being ignored, but you also don't want to linger too long. It all comes down to being self-aware and showing respect for the other person's time and attention. Even if it may not come naturally to everyone, being likable can absolutely be developed. By incorporating these minor adjustments into your daily contacts, you can improve your approachability and friendliness. You might be pleasantly surprised at how wonderfully people respond to you with a little perseverance and effort. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. Click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. Watch our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for viewing.